What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, me now go do the intro you know. You see me I say me just go run through that one here quick and fast cause early in the morning you know. So me just go do this quick and fast and go on it. So me could get in it my people.
To be in a rosealee house. Where rosealee man down there where a man no want the piece of fat shit. I wish pussy were done they have done a see you so weak and lean and blood clot lame. I wish suck pussy down there where a fuck batty. So lame down there. That's them two look you can roll up down the pan bike or anything. I went in see you around like that. Oh, elephant man give them the strength. Oh, okay. So I went blood clot since. Community left so loose that Batman all have all the power. That's why Beanie Man say, them a bad man, Batman. See if you no weak. All of you them gonna see if you on GX, all no weak. Cause them boy they can't come down there easy. Rosealee run with her fat self. If that a my community a problem, all of me no want the girl them boy they can't come down there. You know make it make sense no man. You know make it make blood clot sense no. You know sit a see if you sell out. See if you sell out to Batman and Sodomite. Yes, see if you sell out to Batman and Sodomite. Fire for see if you. Batman end up in a see if you. Akim and him brother, so fuck off. Most of the youth them a see you. How them get some power? I wish one of the damn down them a fuck. Eh? Which one of the damn down a see you them a fuck? You know see a scammer them here from blood clot hell. See you done. You know make no blood clot sense. You all a pussy down there. All I know a pussy. And we been know. So now sell out. A long time Rosealee appear you know. Fear blood clot GX now. And that no combo. Okay. And that no combo. So Rosealee never vex all the while till Kiki drop in the blood clot mitts and Kiki a beat the bitch out of the bitch thinking shit. Me never know to see you full of some dirty Batman. Fi let in two piece of shit down there. If my community when me name when me blood clot name and the pan the ground, them boy they all me no want the girl and can't come in the community. Them boy they can't come in the community, nobody boy. So uno sit down there in a sea view. GX so-called friend them. Uno sit down in a sea view and make them boy they roll up down there in the morning, evening, noon and night until uno hear say GX getting a problem and somebody hurt blood clot GX and then uno see him when I go say uno never see blood clot coming. Uno no see it come from a mile away. Uno see the batty boy them don't see you a coming pan GX from a mile away. Uno figure to them do with Naya. Uno figure to them do with Naya. Uno figure to say money they spend and stuff when Naya no come out of it. Oh, uno forgot. So them have wing them flying a sea view now. Because a big dirty stinking fat Rosealee. Them that sea view now. So that's so them are gonna spread bed now. Till them in a sea view get fit this GX. I heard GX. I don't think so we not see. True me sick from the other day, you know, so me pay attention. Me who something catch a bad flu. So you never blood clot, no, so me pay attention. So Rosealee pull them in from blood clot GX in the community. You don't realize it. You don't realize it. What see if you a do? That girl ain't nothing down there. She not take care of kids them. She not care about them. And them in the middle of the crossroad, you know. And them in the middle of the crossroad. Kiki new to the game. And since Kiki come in, she turn up. Rosealee turn up since Kiki come in. And get wicked. Because she feeling herself say she can use GX and go back and get him back. But the blood clot rainfall. The gully overflow. And all of the water where she walk wash away. That's right, she could not go country go look for her father because down there, down Westmoreland. All of the water are gone. So she have to reset it again. You never know so when rainfall like that happen. Oh, you never know. Yes, so she got Westmoreland. Down her daddy go set up with Derek. But that wash went out. So man, common sense clicking, you notice from the storm coming, GX is a different person. Uno take 1 minute out of uno time and think. Since the storm come, uno tell me even uno say GX I want different person. If you think I lie, uno say lie. Me say since the storm, GX I want different person. Because a long time she go Westmoreland go work on blood clot people. And she said GX free now. And can talk in mind and I tell people on the app, say look you know, that girl and I do not for them youth here. She do more for Akeem and figure it out and Daima. More than what she do for her picnic them in 11 blood clot here. She do more for Akeem, figure it out and Daima. She do more for Akeem than what she do for her mother and father. Plus her picnic them. That means there's something wrong with this big waist girl here. And you have to know when people are waist girl. When them are waist, you have to talk the truth to them are blood clot waist. You understand? We have to talk the things. So now, we have a new trend. We are set. Where the dirty Batman them don't see you, we say them are done. Then get weak. Licky and hungry no blood clot. That's uno cannot take order from Akeem and Rosealee. For someone who has strength down there for this blood clot jakes. Where you do Rosealee, you know easy you get your head take off. Why you make another man dead? Remember now you dead left him daughter. And we see through the hand of them youth through Jamaican. Make them get to with it. And uno go have them in a sea view. So an elephant man give them this strength to go to sea view, or a Rosealee give them a strength. And the dirty Batman done them down there.
As I say, my people, we don't talk too much in that one, yeah. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And no further than them, you can give them a piece of food and them let you in the place, you see me, without nobody trouble your protection money that, you see me, or if you know a next Dan, we know that Dan there, or you know a man in the place, we know, you see me, I say, and like how Rosealee have her money and Ray, and them say she give the Dan money and Ray, she Dan not go and trouble our people them, you see me, I say, and plus them a youth here, no really do nothing for no Dan tap them from coming at the place and whatever. You see me, so let me know what you think, my people. Make watch some more.
Licky then, licky with the little money where them a get. Licky them blood clot licky. You hear me I tell you? And people have to see it. Why Rosealee invests so much in Akeem. And Akeem don't want it. Uno knows that Akeem not sleep with it. Akeem not have no real reason for sleep with the people. If you don't follow me now. Uno can't follow, click follow. Let me tell you something. Unless, listen me. Akeem now no want this a piece of shit here. Because Akeem knows say, the way him bring down blood clot GX, Akeem don't want to be in this part of bring down here. Akeem no wine at them a type of bring down for that big waist stinking fat girl here. We can't wear panty. She can't wear panty because she can't blood clot take it off. You think a wear she no want wear panty? A bend down she can't bend down for take it off. She feel me slip on her about she don't wear panty. She like cool here and there. No. I take she can't blood clot take it off. Uno make it make sense. I want a sexy panty out there. When man soon in a panty, some uno girl, it turn the man high up. Why she no want wear panty? She can't take it off. She can't bend down to take it off. If she bend down, she fall over like rock. What I say? So which blood clot sensible young boy ever want a girl with can't wear panty? So sexy sitting. No matter youth and no want her. Them a man a prefer girl in a boxers. What you hear me I say? I take she can't take off the panty, that's why she no wear it. Uno make it make sense. Make it make sense. But every day you come up, me no wear panty, me no like cool here and I mean no. Rosealee, you can't take it off. You can't bend down for take it off. You don't have so much time for bend down for take it off. If you bend down for take it off, you go fall over. Panty go draw weight up over your belly and it don't make no sense. Go lose some weight before you make a man lose in life. Before you make a pity them lose a father. Eh? Go lose some weight. Because the amount of energy where you are putting at them, your batty man boy, yeah. We soon fuck off the whole of sea view. We soon fuck off the whole of sea view. Yeah, go get fucked any day. Name day. You allow them pussy for this GX. It's gonna be a day. If GX head ever hurt him, it's gonna be a day. Because guess what? You are go too far, big stinking fat Rosealee. You are go too far, you pick the father. If you hate the father, you hate the pick them. If you kill the father, you kill the pick them. Try remember that. Because if you kill the daddy, you kill the pick them. For who for some, for two little set of Batman where you go around and a scam you. You think they mean you know farmer fucking good? Jamaica no think say Akeem and figure it out mean this piece of shit no good. I drain them, I drain her. I use them, I use her to go where them want go. You see them use Elephant Man the other day for go in a dancehall blood clot world. You don't realize that. They use Elephant Man for go in a blood clot dancehall world because they know them a do. A scammer them here from hell. Them a use your Rosealee for blood clot. Go with them, go with them batty boy. You will soon fuck off. See if you no could have bex until Jesus Christ come on watch you. A big would not look for take down of that. True Rosealee bring them down there. Most of no boy down there. We are take them in. And I friend up with them. And I take money from them like you don't want to take this GX and fuck. You don't want to fuck them. You don't know yourself down there too. Them look at dirty Donia way down there and I run on Rosealee and them. A big wood them want from them youth here. Them 3 feet youth here. 3 feet 7 inches youth here. A big wood they want from them. That's why you see them down there. I run up and down with blood clot Rosealee. For this GX, uno see you Batman. How no can have man in our community with so much ear over 11 blood clot ear. Him live down there. And when I go take in 2 deportee boy from nowhere just because them a ride a bike and a X6. Uno a take them in just because them give Rosealee one car for drive and them a ride bike down there so all I want to think down a see you so uno can drive up and down in a car and then we bust uno too. The only bust them blood clot boy I go bust uno through them a scam artist a bust out uno batty hole. Dirty see you people be attack. I don't care. 0 is no one bex because no blood clot no one do. Stinking see you people no know do. You know have Rosealee and Akeem come down there try set up blood clot GX. Ever no prisoner grave you know set up for the youth. Eh? I saw no stay. Ever no prison. A grave you know set up for the youth. And the youth have 2 pitney for take care of. Just because youth a play a game here one, Akeem say, pussy you on the app now, so just bill. How you mean by the on the app just bill? Akeem, are you for bill? Are you for bill because I tell you no money no enough? A scam or not a scam. A people things you not use round and round to make it like a fool no. Oh no body. I true when blood clot naya. People them wanna this naya wanna get to with it. So when another see you. And I go on like with Rosealee, you can't diss nobody. To see you people licky no blood clot. The dan them down there licky, I want to send it to the dan them. Make the dan them know so they licky and them a batty man. Yeah. Tell blingers them down there so them a batty man. How the blood clot, the blingers them down there and go on like say, when I make blood clot, Akeem them come in from blood clot GX down there. And I say when I dan down there. Dan no mama pussy man. Oh no body man. I try man I roll up down with that X6 and you can borrow a man bike. Me know a thing go. Call me up a blood clot water so I park my bike and man gone with that. Ride with that gun and then me give when me see Bobby take a ride and I just saw it go. It on blood clot community bike. Yeah. So when the blingers them down there take order from Rosealee and Hakeem them, I could have what? And who tell you to do it? Eh? And who tell you for blood clot with an elephant man the back of it? So elephant man and Rosealee and the whole of them the back of it now for this blood clot jakes. And that I want to know, you know. And that's all I want to know, you know. It look like an elephant man, Rosealee and Hakeem them are come together for this jakes. Oh, we hear about him, man. Nobody feel like we not hear about it, but true, me under the weather pussy hole. Dirty see you people, me under the weather. Yeah, elephant man. I hope the artists them know say, yeah, one of them with the batty boy, them want to get rid of jakes too. Yeah, so who I want to plan up now, to get rid of jakes, like I want to get rid of Naya. Okay, so it's all a big conspiracy now. Just because they're on the app and you want to take care of youth them. It now go blood clot happen. Jakes in now go happen. We are insure say it now go happen because any one of them this year. Just say the word. Just give back to Rosealee right away. If you go down, Rosealee, if you go down too. She now did if you laugh about it. And say me did tell you. Me not do it nothing me did tell you. No bitch. No bitch. No. No, 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 no. You will never get away with it. Because we see from when your Billy strive against your baby father and forgot say you have two pitney with him. You forgot say you have two pitney with him and you are bringing some man when I really are no pitney and no care about pitney and no care about nobody but themselves. For you remove your baby father, that's why I no link up with elephant man. Because we want more strength for someone that receive you. And the big batty man blingers them down there. We say them are down there and run up and down. Eh? I have them pussy a come down they want this you. That's why I tell you say community no fear. No real youth no left for Jamaica. Everybody will left for Jamaica we say them are real youth. Most of them want to play double side. They want to dip their foot in the water boat.
Alright, well, people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll make you watch some more.
Outside, a batty behavior them a play. GX pay attention, a batty behavior them a play. That's why a man can step to you and tell you certain stuff. You hear me? Now make no big pussy girl Rosealee draw you out to can't wear panty. When a girl can't wear panty that speak volume. When a girl can't wear panty that speak volume. You understand? It simply means there's something wrong with her. She not body for fit panty. Or she not shape good for fitty. Or she can't take it off when she put it on. Or she cannot blood clot put it on. Don't pay attention, no man. Don't pay attention, no man. You don't know there's something wrong with Rosealee. Everything about this girl bad man and sick. Since the little rainfall, she get a little free up. Because whatever she plant, wash away. And at this you come with, you tell the people them don't receive you for this jakes. Every minute you now bring water to jakes all of a sudden, just because of Hakeem. And what Hakeem do for you, Sir Rosealee? We are in a four-way crossroad. Tell the people them what Hakeem do for you. What am I do for you? What the fuck Hakeem and figure it out I do for you? They not do nothing for you. Nothing at all they not do for you. I use you. The only thing them I do to you, I use you. Use you. Because in the obvious world, they have to find somebody where they love. Where they can use as a martyr. Where they can use as a fucking dolly. That they can sacrifice you sooner or blood clot later. Remember me tell you, they can use you as sacrifice soon or later. That's why they fall for the two easiest victim, Rosealee and Diamond, with no proper blood clot sense. Diamond should have bigger than how Diamond big. It's where Diamond there, second Diamond second. Diamond second to blood clot. You don't know that. Because they look for the weakest prey them for jump on. Rosealee want love, so they use Rosealee like that. Yo, that boy they don't want to kiss Rosealee. He don't want Rosealee feet lip on him jaw. A dry jaw when blood clot face. The other time I see my play a blood clot game and the white man a drag her pussy clot and what she do? She cut off her life because she realized that she shame no bumbo clot. And from Kiki coming at the space and Kiki to beat her. The girl get wickeder people. The girl get more devious. She get more wickeder. Her pay vengeance she a push. Pay blood clot vengeance she a push. Yes. Because she begs Kiki soon to come in at the picture. Now Kiki in the picture, she can realize that Jake now want her back now. Because I must see a brighter future. He must see a brighter way and better way out because slimmer girl want to can wear panty and can look good in her clothes. Rosealee no look good in her clothes, no dear. All of her dreams, she a dream it, she no look good. That's why she a behave the way she a behave. And then the two little man them, the two little Naya boys them, none tell her the truth. They won't tell her the truth. All when she lose weight, nobody now go want her. Cause losing weight for Rosealee now, it'll go take at least 6 years. For all her skin them, find them proper place. Because she been too big over this long time. And people see her and I wonder like, she take something to get slim, no fret, she a fret because she miss everything. She lose everything what she did have just because some waste man. Some waste man come in her life and kill her whole blood clot life. You hear me I tell you? Some waste man come in her life and kill her whole blood clot life. No one want to kill Jake. Mr. People, I plan to get out Jake for December. Them youth where you see right here, so I plan to get out Jake for December. That's why them a go down and see you with name brand car, go park you up. That's it. A batty boy, them down they can't get if you drive. The licky dan them down they can't get if you drive. Because the dan them already have elephant man strength. And elephant man give them the strength. So if you don't look around, you can't see where the blood clot come from. Why them feel them have the right for this GX down there. And I send threat to him down there and still I go down there. Come in a Woofer community. Eh? Come in a Woofer community. You no see. Me I try to tell you no say. This one I want to understand. I want to understand this say. Rosealee, she's a creative underminer motherfucker. Everything they try out for GX in GX compound line. Since GX come on, everything them try, but me I tell you tonight. If something wrong with GX, you not go pay the price. You no behead Rosealee. If something wrong with GX, you no behead Rosealee. Don't make she get away and laugh. It easy on allow Akeem them. It easy on allow Akeem them because of fear fault. Make the pitney them grow without mother and father. Because she must know why. She have put out some more effort in them youth here. More than her pitney them. So uno no bother make she get to it. Uno no make she bring man down the con this GX. And get to it. And her GX and she still a walk. And be a fool herself. And come out and come ball like she's sorry.
People, as me saying in my previous video, no man should have make no woman make him lose him 3 points. Be careful. You see me I say, especially in these times, everybody have a machine. You see me? And it reached to a point, you know, the situation with Rosealee, Akeem and GX, it reached to a point where fists can start show, you know what I mean? Because words are true and some hot words are true, and it can reach the fist point and no telling where it can end up. You understand? Make me know what to think, my people.
GX friend, you know, no. If something wrong with GX, you know, take off it. Don't make the fat girl keep her head. Cause her head is no blood clot good. And I don't hate woman. I just the truth we are split. We are on a 4-way street right here. I just pitney them in the middle. No matter where you take it. If GX go with Kiki, the pitney them have to go. If Rosealee go with Akeem, the pitney them have to go. That's why we have now a 4-way street. You know, don't make she get where with it. If Rosealee any at all make GX get hurt, you no behead Rosealee. You no behead Rosealee. Don't make she do it and get where. Because people them need them blood clot father. They need them parents. They need them two parents to survive in life. One I go tell them this, one I go tell them that, but the mother and father same way. So them boy you know go come here. Come this GX. I heard GX on the feel say Rosealee go get where with it. So me I tell GX friend them, you know pay attention. Open your eye and pay attention and do it to Naya, then you do it to GX. It's very easy. Don't make Rosealee get with it. From the moment they hurt GX, you know make sure Rosealee breath stop. It's very fucking unfair. She have to know why she have put out so much energy in a them. For a reason you have them down there now. Kiki say where your man there. Make your man turn on your internet and she call the boy them over the yard because Kiki says so. And from the boy them go over the yard now. Then just start this GX. So me I tell you now. For the people them where they are listen. You remember, you mark my word. If they hurt GX I see you. Don't make Rosealee get with it. Don't make Rosealee go ball. Yai water and put her like so she never have nothing to do with it. You know behead her. If you no can't catch Akeem them, you know behead her, make the people them do without mother and father, them be more better off. If you no take out one, take out the next blood clot one. If Akeem them want get to and go start like somewhere else, make them get it. But my thing is to you know open an eye. It's about to go down at December, come again. You know remember what they do to Naya. So don't make Rosealee get away with it and go laugh. You know chop off your head. You no chop off your head. If you no chop off your head, off of the beast, you no get rid of the beast. Some beasts can grow back tail. Chop the fucking head off because she go too far. So anyhow, me I beg you know, anyhow, she step out there and this GX because this GX because oh shit this GX you no chop off his head. Somebody has spam me live I wanna do no bex. I go tell you no. Don't make she get to with it. With it not one blood clot minute. No make she get to with it. You hear? You no behead it. Anything happen to GX. Because GX a real father. And that I want to know. GX a real father. GX are the only blood clot man. Dead for the pitney them boy and I go dead for the kids them. Not them boy. Them boy are scam artists from blood clot nowhere. I want to sit down and I watch all one blood clot blingers them down there, take order from them pussy. I want to feel like someone I got this GX and get to with it. True nobody now come out, come talk every day and the rest of people them put it up and watch it a go down. You know really watch it a go down? You know make blood clot Rosealee get to with it. You know make Rosealee get. You know really watch it a go down? You know make blood clot Rosealee get to with it. You know make Rosealee get to with it. You know behead our blood clot if you can't catch Akeem them. And that me I tell you no better wake up. People TikTok give me a blood clot jam right now. I don't know what go on. You see person when report my blood clot life go suck on the mother. People me have to go jump. TikTok strike me. Suck on the mother people. I want a blood clot, pussy clot that strike my blood clot life. You know go man, if you don't want to stay over so no go somewhere else brother.
Annie, how you anger that for hear your son Akeem, girlfriend, wife to be, Mrs. Lee, Rosealee Lee, say her baby daddy get up every day and suck her blood clot pussy and lick out her body hole. How you feel as a mother, Annie? And some gunman mama, how you feel as a woman? And not to mention a mother, how you feel? How you feel? And none of you can't tell the blood clot so a stinking hog say, stop it, it's not a good look. All because of blood clot money. Greedy choke fucking puppy. Greedy choke puppy, Annie. Akeem, greedy choke puppy. I wanna feel. As a mother, it is distasteful. As a mother, it is sick with stomach to the core. As a mother, we feel it down your soul. You see, oh, every day she get up. Whether or not you say it one time, but every day you keep on repeat it. Me see I tell a little girl, Kiki, where them in a them play relationship. I tell Kiki, say, you suck her pussy out of Jake's mouth. I tell Kiki, say, you suck out her pussy out of Jake's mouth. Rosealee, remember say you don't know nobody. Remember the world know you, Rosealee. Oh, we no feel. For us, as mothers, it's not a good look. And we wouldn't like it for our kids. And now, Rosealee, you can't say that this blood clot girl hole. I'm a natural ear rose. I'm a natural blood clot ear this rose. Tired of wig. And I can't take off and wear dentures. Natural teeth. At 57. I'm still blood clot lookable. I'm still lookable. Akeem is a dog shit. Bright and feisty and out of order. If Jakes want take Rosealee for 12 years, Jakes they have turn Rosealee yard boy. I wash Rosealee dirty drawers. And if Jakes feels saying want go fuck one of the pussy car Rose says she remember say Rose says she give bun, you know. Beg on some F1 there. Beg on some F1 there in the chat here. Remember say Rose says she give bun, you know. Remember say Rose says she fuck pan any boy at all, you know. She no care if fuck pan a boy, you know. So if Rose go fuck and Jakes feels say me no want that the pussy tonight, yeah. And Jakes want go fuck her next girl. Him supposed to go on because of it.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section and tell me what you think about, like, you know what I mean, people buying things for your youth them, because upon a level, my people, if me and my woman live, I'm a woman I talk to a friend out the road, says a man friend, and I see 2 bag and 2 shoes come in, them have to go back where them a come from. If she have a boyfriend, you know, live somewhere else, and me have a woman, and the pitney they live with me, and me see things come in where me know say the boyfriend buy, me not go have a problem with it. But while we together and the next man buy a thing certain way, that have to stay out the road. You know what I mean? Cause if you come in here, it a gonna last. I mean I go know wait there. You see me? So make me know what you think, me people. Make watch some more.
12 years Jakes a turn the blood clot helper. Jakes more rice carry the bun come. At 12 years Rose a call Jakes carry the bun come. At 12 years Jakes they a nyam pussy. At 12 years Jakes they a clean out the house. Come here, you kiss your teeth when I sell toothbrush over here, so come off of me live. At 12 years, so if Jakes take TikTok money and a Rose money, a TikTok money and go buy some fucking, him supposed to and some and wash clothes. That's Rose I see when Shanta had the last panty as a mother, as a big dirty stinking mother that come out of your mouth. Every mother take up them little young girl panty and look on the seat and wash it, teach your little girl. Now you I tell the father. So if when Shanta starts her Kelly, you know, you're not gonna know the father gonna know Rose. And none of you boy and some no come out, come address them. The boy you come say Jakes take Rose money go buy pussy, go suck on your pussy, Akeem. Bright. Go suck your mother. Who tell you if you do that? How dare you? How dare you, handsome Akeem? How dare you, handsome gunman? How dare blood clot you, Akeem? Go talk to your big old dirty stinking sour pow and tell her so she must stop what she a do. When she blood clot stop, we stop. She don't stop, we don't fucking stop. You get it? Across the board? Let me tell you again. When Rose stop and leave Jakes, we stop. Rose not left Jakes alone, we a blood clot continue. And drag you across this blood clot free too. Along with her. Tell her to leave the youth alone and we will drop you. And you and Rose can go in at the rat hole, we no care. But the moment you come and remind the guy, say the guy suck her pussy and lick out her body hole and she finger him and him this and him that, we nah stop Rose. Straight. You think a blood clot Shelly pash this? You think Shelly have a reputation for bomber clot protect me not have none. What you feel like? What you feel like dirty blood clot Rose? What you feel like? Anything Marcia can do, me, Paula, I do it. Drug and nasty up your nasty blood clot for Jakes. What you feel like? You're not tired to remind the youth them name your dirty front. You're not tired, Rose, remind the youth them suck out your dirty front. Your germs, a dirty front. You're not tired, beg on us some F1 in the chat, please. Beg on us some F1 in the chat. Guys, support my live goal. You're not tired for remind the youth. Not tell nobody if you look for move moderator, lift them up. You're not tired for remind the youth, Rose. It's still out now. I saw you go remind handsome gunman, say member say you suck out my pussy. You know say last week when I did handsome gunman yard. When him there your yard, sorry. And when you get up, him tell you to get up, go make cup soup, and when you get up, see me. You never see it, Rose. People have a pan screen record all about. Nobody send, you never send a go show Rose. So when Rose get up, the boy does up. That what I tell you say, your tail high, Rose. That tell you say your tail did high. When you get up, the boy does up. The boy flinch him knows that tester did your tail was high. Go learn to wash your front, get it all bout pan video card. Me the highlights. Send it to Rose there, please, come. I know you're over here, me the highlights. Send it to Rose. Sure, when the boy does so. A style around the quiet, fierce sparks. Okay, imagine you get Jakes when you man drink. Marcia, Jakes mama, go take care of your son. Marcia, go take care of your son. Go take care of your son. And everything you cause people you have to say them think. Rose, you can't tell nobody say nobody think. That's still no. Me empty the clip on you already, Rose. I mean, I don't know what else to empty the clip on you tell you say. More than if you tell you say you're a dirty baby mother. You're a bitter baby mother. You're a disgraceful dirty mother. You're a worthless baby mother. Because for 12 years you there with the boy have to do something good for you, Rose. For 12 years you there with the man have to do something good for you too. You're a bad-minded baby mother. Give me some more word for classy girl. Beg on some more word. Type it in the chat. Give me some more words for classy girl. You're a dirty baby mother. Come here, let me help you something. Let me help you something. Come out of my chat. Worthless, you hug, bitter baby mother, Rose. The man have to do something good for you. The man have 12 years do something good for you. Hi, Bonita, how are you? Turtle back, baby mama, big back. Rose never say you can't wash your back. The man is to wash your dirty back for you. Akima wash your back? Oh, you must buy one back scrub. Frog back, baby mother. For 12 years, you're there with Jakes. Jakes never do nothing for you good yet, Rose. That's every day you cannot come remind the man. Upside down carrot, ice cream cone. That is all you can. Despicable. That is all you can tell the man. Say remind the man, say the man, you have your pussy. You know how we are get with pussy name? A national dish. A national dish. A national anthem. A national anthem. Name crutch is a national anthem, Rose. So why you come every day and remind the youth? And bumbleclad batty boy Akim sit down comfortable with that and now tell you say you need to stop. My girl, ease up. It no look good. I same way y'all go do me later on down the line. Hippopotamus girl. I same way you handsome now say to the girl say, my girl, stop. Stop say them things about your baby mother, about your baby father. Because look a bit down the line and same way you go come deal with me. Because what goes around comes around in my youth. What goes a fucking around. Watch. The world is on a globe. Tick, 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 tick. Watch how the clock goes around. Tick, tick. The clock goes around like this. What goes around, thank you so much, comes around. Your day is coming for this girl to bring you down. And I write just up on the app. In front of thousands. She might tell you, say, oh, me, Akim, I will never ever do you that. Live from the pit of hell. You wait. You wait. Right, just so the whole we are going to sit down. And it will go happen. And your mama too. You and your mama. The clock. Just watch the clock. Remember me tell you upon this day, yeah, this night, yeah. This all mad girl, yeah. This all big, all disgraceful mama. When no have no filter. Tell you, Akim, Lee, whatever your name. Say, look here. Time. Tick, tick, tock, tock, tick, tick, tock, 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 tick, tick, tock, tock, tock. Just a matter of time. Your day is coming. The same knife a stick sheep I go stick water and I go fuck up the hog too. So you sit down there and I watch Rose a disgrace Jakes day by day and come out with a so good mouth Akim. I come say that say Jakes take Rose money and go buy fuck. What has that got to do with you? When Jakes did I wash Rose big old dirty bloody drawers them. Cause Jakes wash them, yes we know. And Jakes did I wash the sheet when Rose.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. Make you watch some more. As I said, I not talk too much in that one here.
Blood up on Jakes, I wash them. Where were you? When Jakes are cleaning off the mattress with Rose bumbleclot, Rose blood drain pan. As a man, where were you? When Jakes did help Rose to bail herself, where were you? When Jakes be the mother and father for the children, back to boy Akim, where were you? When Jakes cook for the girl and the girl sit down and do nothing and not even take map, where were you? Who are you if you come chat pan that? Who the fuck you think you be, boy? Leg up, no call back Jake's name now your blood clot mouth and everything will be nice. And tell your girl if you leg of the youth shirt and we are going to let you go. But as long as Rose come out for blood clot Jakes, we coming back for you blood clot Akim. You hear that? You hear that? It's a deal, you know. It's a deal. We strike a deal tonight, you know. Cause me know you upset so we are dragging him. You know? So the deal is that say listen me handsome shit up. Listen me now. You don't call back Jake's mouth in your so-called mouth handsome Akim. Handsome gunman. Don't call back Jake's name in your so-called mouth. And tell your blood clot big sour post cow say we say let go the baby father name and we let you go. It's a deal. Pinky? It's a pinky, it's a deal tonight. We not gonna go for your blood clot mother anymore, your mama Annie anymore. And you, if you no call back Jake's name now your blood clot mouth youth and leave Jake's children out of your mouth, name out of your mouth too. Like the man children name out of your mouth. They are not your step kids. Bomba hole. You get that now? They are not your step kids. And they will never fucking will be. One go dead Rose, go breed Rose with two more picking. Then you have kids to yourself. Let go the man children alone. You know like them and the man not like you. Leave them kids alone. Fuck wrong with you. Come here, boss lady, come here. Go suck your mother and come off of me thing. Come here. Hey, girl, come here. You get her? You get that girl with name boss lady, some shit on that. Where she there? Come here, girl. I want to see you. Where you there? But you, Akim, come out and come talk about say, GX take money, go buy anything at all you buy for the youth, them. GX bring it back right to Rose, blood clad gate, and light that a bomber clad fire. Cursing and matches with 2 pieces of thick panny. Make him go suck him mother with that. Nothing more for your youth, them GX. Come on this blood clot, yeah. Come up in your mouth and beg money and go buy your youth, them that. No more bag, no more shoes, no more clothes from blood clot and some gunman for your youth. Them. Go buy a roll some good drawers and some gunman. And go buy some rat pies and rat bait. Go build a toilet with the money you go take. Buy something for GX children, go buy a toilet. Me see enough girl over here willing to buy clothes to the youth them. Bright. The thing when they not set for bumbo clot you. I wait me that wait. Bright. You're too enough. How dare you come tell a man the money? What about the millions? The millions where you make off a rose? Back last week 147,000 here. So you US dollar 147,000 US you make off a rose already and counting. People are checking the money drunk. Last year alone, Rose make 300,000 US pan this up here. Last year, Rose made 300,000 US and this TikTok up here. Gifters on a wise up. Rose made 300,000 US and this blood clot TikTok up here so last year. And rat and roach a kill blood clot the junk crow. 300,000 she make. Jayden make 300,000 too. Don't make a call out on a blood clot figures. Me know the all on the figures. Rest Rose. You say what? Rose made 300,000. Akim gunman gone 140,000 already. And then the big old dirty suck hood girl over Bacchus Corner, Sexy Lisa and them. Ooh, anything at all. I feel we bossy. Or that for money I going to go suck on a mother on no clean shit till the day on a dead pan the bumbo clad client them. But if you think, oh yeah, oh my bossy, and we feel money, we take anything we want give bossy. Who now God bless on where blood clot of course say on a bumbo clot who a get lion from now do that. Akim make 140,000 already. Rose last year make 300,000 US. Somebody do the maths and put it in the chat. US. Gifters gonna get wise up. Them becoming millionaires and billionaires after no. I will chat out the wall on a blood clot. Right, 450. Me can't call the figure 450. Whatever. And that them make off a uno last year. Wise up. Stop gift Rose. Rose make enough money already. She have it locked. Plus she pay her blood clot man out of it. And the same money she said she go use and kill Marcy and GX. Rose, funeral money, 4.5 million. Yes, that's last year. That was last.
Some people, I saw them a go on, and so much money them a make. So rosealee them soon turn millionaire in a US currency. No sir. Jaja, well, make no money, man, because one at a time, peanut, rosealee, the downtown, are selling a sonata and something, so go and make your money. So, me no see how rosealee I go so hard on GX, and she make such a killing on TikTok. Nah, man, come on, Rose, man, go easy on the man just start, and that's why you put down GX, so I say, boy, he would have never make it like Akim and Ray, and this, and, hey, people. Big them up still. Let me know what I think. Make watch some more.
Last year in 2024. This is 23 and we are in November. If you don't want how much a pussy make today, go up on TikTok, there's an app on you can go on it. Yes. And then now, when you take a stock now, the same money. Hold on, come here, let me help you. At the same money, she a take and say she go kill Marcy and Jakes, Rose. Beg on some F1 in the chat. Nobody no bad mind, nobody. We no bad mind. We are enlightened people over here. We are educating people over here. We no bad mind. We are educating people that gifters needs to hold their pocket now. We are not bad mind over here. We are educating people. And this you call bad mind? If you talk out them business, a bad mind that, we are educating the public. Come on, share the live. We are educating TikTok over here. Feel like. But the man come on the app. The man come on the app. And say, he might build a 2-room. So he can put Chantal and Barbara and you, Rose, have a problem. While last year you made 300,000 US off a TikTok, yes, so. And the man just company up 2 months now. And you, I kill the man and one then cancel the man. And look on what you make last year. And then you come and you see how much $1,000 you hear, how much 400,000 here you cost. And no for uno gifters cave blood clot on here enough ball off on head and wear ball head. A ball head somehow now wear. Uno can't even afford one bumbo clot $29 wig like myself, yeah. But you know come and I come bossy on one Rose. You got suck on a mother and wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Smell the roses. Smell the roses. Me not like uno. Because none of uno not tell this big old dirty stinking girl Rose. The next time you come curse me, not even curse me. Have something planned for you. May I show you where you belong. May I have some cleaning agent for your nasty ass waiting. Come in and know else you cuss you say Rose. Rose, me no know. You cuss everybody and call everybody pussy thing. Because for your pussy rotten. Batty man fuck you. You call every woman pussy thing. You tell every woman so good. You call everybody a tampon. You can't call somebody they tampon Rose. Rose, remember say your company is up and say you sit down pan a pad all day. Your company is up and say you sit down pan a pad all day. You tell somebody say somebody smell like your pad or your stomach pan all day. Rose, who does that? You Rose come pan this up and tell somebody, guys, support the life goal. We're gonna support the life goal. Yeah. You tell somebody say them stink like your pad or your stomach pan this up your all day. Who does that? As a woman. Okay, imagine you get Jakes when you man drink.
Come. And when she come, she reach by me youth them and all the yard of the girl there. She not cook no food. I mean, it fascinates me, you know. Fascinate me. To date me and make me and treat me. Oh, the girl them walk on and search the civil garden for my business. And don't see for them one. Big pussy girl, me send a message to you over here, coming and call them, coming and go no clout. Coming and argue with 0 girl and 0 people. If the girl, or they pity them there, she not cook, that not nothing to do with you, and that not nothing to do with me. Shan and Barbara have a big pussy mama, and I am front father. I will over here beg daily. Where you want the girl for blood clot though? Stand with full responsibility. She already a try help you out. For them come out of the government space. For them somebody house. That's the best she can do. We as private go look about blood clot pills. So when I put them hungry, them come to me. I know them not hungry. Bring me beg every day, I put them care hungry. If nobody no could go buy food at shop, KFC sell, Burger King sell, I'll take out sell. Them not eat much of my picnic, them not eat at all. Them not eat two pound of rice. Them not eat 2 pound of rice. Them a picnic. One box food can share for 2 of them. Them a picnic, them not eat much. And them snack round and stack round. Only 2 enough. I want them a bumbo clap business. That's just fascinating about Rosalie, so. The girl not have the blood clot cook. She don't want me them the obligation day. Me thank her for the kindness she do for me. Me thank her for the kindness what you do for me. Because when I asked her to rate her, she could have said no. She could have said no. Me not have for me, I tell her cash enough. And I'm like, walk and buy the people that see for know my business. Them like, walk and buy out the people that see for telling my business like me care. But just to let you know, when Ray and Blake come out, you could have said no. Them a feel me pit now when me there sometime in a blood clot cook. Me send go buy food. The people them cook when them feel like leave the business alone. You add for me. Someone walk and yam up body like that on the mouth stink. Go brush your teeth and go beard. Go look alive. And the day when you call me name when you not get $1 on no shame. You know so me could come back social media so long and talk about and don't get $1. Any girl name a part, any girl name a call the guts to pay me. Ask me now call it. Look at me from the world I own over here. I don't call him name no. Any girl name of me calling up him, me not call coming have time for waste. I walk and see who cook food from who no cook food. You saw you should not wash it because you saw your type of blood clot story. Where you feel like say me I will come here, come bring down the girl. Never. She do me a huge favor when my mama never do and my papa never blood clot and them fuck can't get me. Leave the girl alone. The girl cook on her own her blood clot terms. Me as a big pussy sell pussy long time all fuck out mama. Make sure I put them eat. As long as them hungry me okay. Me see one of them coming on my blood clot inbox. Oh, you go buy a big fish right there, yeah. I not care you put them. Me never want to argue with somebody, you know. Cause my daughter don't eat fish. My daughter don't eat fish, you know. I never want to argue with the person. But I say, my daughter, I don't want to be short come on Monday and my daughter don't eat fish, you know. My daughter doesn't eat fish. And when I carry them too.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more. Me tell you, say, me not talk too much in that one, so make you get back in it.
Ultra, they only eat crab and lobster. I want to buy one $6,000 crab. I want $8,000. When I buy one $6,000, when I buy one $6,000 crab, I want $8,000 crab. But tell them, boss, not two of them sure them a picnic. Them a 10 and 8. We tell them about the pot of rice. You not worry about the wrong set of blood clot things. For them now, no bad enough for cooking them. For them now, hungry, no problem. Them look at them far from them kitchen. It's when see they take them from me so good brie. Come on, acknowledge you're good enough. So good girl. Come here, you're not going to do this again. It's when see they take me from them so good brie. I carry them go to doctor. They never far from them kitchen. My worthless and careless and nasty and disgusting, but them not hungry. So put that in your pipe and snorting. Mix big pussy. Come here, call a name, you know. Come here, give some little highlight. Me not gonna argue, but I tell you. Not you, Brie, if me, no. One of the so good girl over here on them, Brie. It's when them take me for them, take them for you and carry them, go where them go. Them never far from them kitchen, them in it. If the girl now cook that, now nothing to do with you, me, nor TikTok. My daughter's a big pussy, motherfucker. Make sure I enjoy my penny eat food. And when them don't want to cook food, them buy whatever they want. Until them want them buy it. So don't worry about the woman that cook her blood clot. That concern me nor you. Suckable or chapad. Come out of my business. Some people don't even like food. One time, gonna back when to cook food, give Chantal, she no money meat, I left the rice. And drink the juice, I shall belly full. Them a picnic, them pick and play around and fuck around and fool around. Suck your mother hard. I come out of my blood clot business. Fuck out, mouth, girl. Go look at life. On the torment in a foreign a blood clot. Me not see him. Tell him to add me. Tell him to add me. Come do my blood clot performance. I come and argue with blood clot, you know. When I worry, I put them. Tell him to add me. If we don't now worry about this and worry about blood clot, that we don't look a stinking self. You don't see him? I don't have a fingernail.
You see why when people say them for style your pussy?
Yeah, I got time first.
I'd maybe able to quit, man.
It just gone look where I go now.
I'd maybe able to request off.
Oh, hold on. Him request I hope as well over here, sir.
Me not see it, you know. Remember now you turn on your blood clot request, you know. And them so annoying over here. Me see him but him request off. More I got some look stinking over here, you know. But I look at booby time. A booby time and my jobs come first. I'd catch you back one next baby with me in a moment. How the blood clot this? So I can't see my man. How the blood clot this? Let me have a big seed.
What's up?
And yeah, boy. But in the half. Good pussy girl. Me soon come. Me not see him. Time for add me not see him. I feel my invitation off. Me not see him. I don't know if I turn on my invite. Invite. Search. Rosealee. It's an invite off. Rosealee husband. How the blood clot this? Rosealee. There's an invite off.
Come and just see it. Yeah, tip off. Alright then, bro. I know, man, bro. So tomorrow, man, bro. Yes, it's open. I see. Baby, I didn't mean what you said tonight. When I see a man say, you see that little girl, yeah? But what you know? Number one, me wrong fan. Come in, I go feed. But see what you got. I say if I see what kind of badness you are going with over there, baby. Team, make a focus. Let's see what kind of badness you are going with on the ranking. Come on, my team. Oh, flick gun. Hold on that.
Well, bro,
Okay. Yeah, man, bro. I know I could. Come in with team. Go power tap your life. Team, when you use up that double here, then I use up the first double.
First gift double chat.
Use up the first gift double chat. Team, make us stay focused on locked in, please. Come in, team. Use up that double here. Use up that double here, my team.
Why, number one guru, she come on. Double chat!
Team, use up that double here, please and thanks. Alright then, Trish, thank you. Use up that double here if you can. Come in, team. On the power tap the live here, please and thanks. Cash when I done, lock off the fund, bro. Cause I blow this spliff.
Get joke already, you know. You get mad joke already, you know. You can't talk to me, can you get mad joke? Nobody will get mad joke, can't talk to me, you know. When you get mad joke, you can't talk to me.
Come on from the phone screen. That girl, come on from the phone screen.
You get mad joke, you know. You can't talk to me, you know, something.
I see.
Face. Remember, you're a madman, you know. You're a tiff-tone madman all with the talk, you know. You're a madman that me should leave the hard with you, you know, because you're a madman, you know. Me not for the hard with you, you know, because you're a madman, you know. You're a mad bumble, you know. Me should leave the hard with you.
A 6, Mr. Batty boy, fully 6. Come on from the phone screen. A 6 to Maga boy. Dead boy, yeah, heads. Suck your mama, come on from the phone screen. Yeah, heads. We're sitting here with scratch. We're sitting here with scratch where you catch a jail. We're sitting in here. We're sitting in here. Cause you think of enough, cause CP India people here don't have to spend much weeks on ground. Why sitting in here? Or make you scratch. Scabies. Hey boy, you scabies. You suck your mama, you scabies boy. Suck your mother. Dead boy. Oh boy, when another people on them bell can't come talk to me, but suck your mama. You've done it on your profile already. You never blood clots, kill a mosquito, you go suck your mama. You nobody. Come on for this, man. I be an instigator for people like, I suck your mama. Anytime they hold it, I go get bored up. You look talk about some crime where you don't know nothing about. I be a about crime. I suck your mama. And then you come on from the phone screen. I cook some food now. Come on from the phone screen. A 6, me say, Batty boy. I suck your mama. A 6, me say, nyam out your mama. Me have the time.
Alright, my people, so we'll watch some more of this and then we'll go end it.
Donia. Batman Donia. Oh, dirty crap. Like our bad mind boy, this are you. Them a boy a bad mind people. Them a pussy a bad mind me. Bro, paper, I'm just start company up. Them a boy a fight against me, man. Swiftly. World dog. One of them fight against me before me just company up. Them a boy a fi dead. Donia, Swiftly, World dog. You want to
stop? Blamdem up.
Suck your mother, Batty boy, Donia.
Donia,
remember, CS6 now, you got dead before me. Dirty Batman. Go suck your mother, Donia. Dirty Batman. Tough. Boy, them a boy a fight you with paper. When me just company up, them a Batty boy a fight against me. Them pussy a fight against me.
First week in a month.
Suck your mother, Donia. Go look at work, Batty boy. Dirty work this boy. Oh. Batty boy, you're hungry like a dog. Post me have more jewelry can sell if me broke on me car. Post me have me title for me car, me can go sell me car if me broke. Go suck your mother, me can't broke, me jaggy line. Go suck your mother, Batty boy. Suck pussy boy, me have money in my music thing. Go suck your mother, Donia. Me can't broke, Batty boy. Every month me get money through 1 RPM, Batty boy. Go suck your mother, Donia. Every month me get money through 1 RPM, matcha. Go suck your mother, Donia, me can't broke. I do music. Hey, look here, paper. Them a Batty boy can't talk to me. 1 RPM.
Suck your mama, Blamisha. How about that there? How about that there? How about that there? How am I signing in, pan? How about that there? How about that there, chat? How about that there? Film Sunday now pass Florida airport, you know, whatever purpose. Now pass forward. So now pass the studio gate. One thing with them is to say I try out my producing thing, but nobody don't like you. You hold on your artist them. Right now the best thing the artist them do a top for you.
When I
Stop. I don't know how to share. I don't know how to share cuss.
What? Hold on, guys, my hand full. Wait, my hand full. Me I go upstairs. So Blamdem. Wait, me I go upstairs. My hand full. Where you cuss Donia for? I told not good you to know Donia, my friend. Me never hear him call any name. When though?
So, camera lamination. Dead man. Dead girl lamination. Stop camera.
Somebody go suck on the mama. Dirty batty man. When he dead, me shall put up say, for me email and me a log in. Go suck on the mother. Pussy, me log in and me, una money like me. Stinking batty man.